Hi, this is a quick video tutorial in which I will show how to use converter from DCM file to PNG. So first, to install converter, I will download it and install from this website. I will link the site into the description. To find app, I'll click on search and type DCM. And I click on DCM page, and I need DCM to PNG, or I can just scroll to DCM to PNG and click on the download button. And wait until archive will be downloaded on my local computer. I will be recording more videos on DCM converters to different formats, image formats and PDF. So if you're interested, please consider subscribing to this channel. And if you'd like to see more applications like this, please like this video. Yeah, you can see archive has been downloaded. I will click to open archive. Double click on inside archive to run it. To start installation, click on more info here. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see unknown publisher. I'll just click run anyway. And click on next install and click yes and click finish on final screen. And you can see application has been installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process. In first step we have to select our DCM file. So I will click to select input file and select file I would like to convert. Let's take this the biggest one. Click on open, click on next. There are no conversion options here yet, so I'll just click next step. And on final step, I'll click run to create a PNG file. Now it's asking me for location where to store this PNG file. I'll click on my documents and click OK. And you can see file has been created, bmode PNG. And I will go and see the file. It's in documents. Yep, bmode PNG. Double click on it. And you can see file has been converted from DCM to PNG file. So this is basically image on ultrasonic image. Yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. If you'd like to see more application like this, please subscribe, and more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you.